northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. In Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Logan County, southeastern Hardin County, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Mansfield, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Mansfield, Mount Victory, Rushville, Ridgeway, Somersville, Big Springs, Byhalia, and Broadway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.